Today, we will delve into the dynamic landscape of the stock market, focusing on 7 influential companies poised to shape the market in 2024. Each of these companies has a unique story to tell, from revolutionary product launches to strategic business shifts. Join us as we explore their potential impact on the stock market and what it means for investors like you. But before we dive in, it's important to note that the information presented here is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. If you enjoy this content and want to stay updated on future videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Number 7. NVIDIA. In 2023, the stock market soared, topping the S&P 500 with a 239% surge, largely fueled by the debut of OpenAI's ChatGPT. This success sparked widespread recognition of AI's potential, embraced by industry giants like Meta, Google, and Apple. NVIDIA's role as a key player in AI hardware was solidified, with major clients including Amazon and Microsoft relying heavily on its solutions. Data center revenue skyrocketed from $3.62 billion in Q4 2022 to $14.51 billion by year-end, projected to hit $20 billion in Q4 2023. CEO Jensen Huang attributes this growth to accelerated computing and generative AI adoption, positioning NVIDIA for further success in 2024. However, questions loom over its valuation. With a high PE ratio and a need to maintain growth to meet investor expectations. Despite challenges, 2024 promises to be another significant year for NVIDIA. Number 6. Microsoft. Poised for AI-driven growth, anticipates little change in its core business in 2024 under Microsoft's leadership. While continuing to offer subscriptions to Office 365, Windows, cloud solutions via Azure, and retailing Surface Pro and Xbox consoles, Microsoft is intensifying AI integration across its products. A notable move is the introduction of the Copilot key on Windows PC keyboards powered by AI protocols, following a substantial investment in OpenAI. This collaboration positions Microsoft to capitalize on the success of ChatGPT, integrating it into various offerings like Bing, Office 365, and Azure. Analysts project a potential $30 billion boost in annual revenue, primarily driven by Azure. With a strengthened influence on OpenAI's board, Microsoft signals its commitment to AI advancement, marking 2024 as a pivotal year in its AI integration journey. Number 5. Apple. In 2024, Apple is making a remarkable departure from its recent trend of financial strategies under Tim Cook's leadership. Despite criticism for lacking groundbreaking products, the company is reintroducing innovation reminiscent of its co-founder Steve Jobs. This year marks the launch of Apple's first new product category in years, signaling a return to its roots. While Apple's financial performance in 2024 will still be driven by its flagship products like the iPhone and Mac, investors are particularly interested in the new addition, the Apple Vision Pro headset. This device marks Apple's entry into the augmented and virtual reality markets, setting the stage for a potentially lucrative market in the future, despite its expected minimal impact on Apple's financials this year. The emergence of augmented and virtual reality technology, as exemplified by Meta's MetaQuest headsets, has gained momentum. With Apple now joining the fray with its advanced Vision Pro headset, priced at $35,000, market observers are keen to see consumer adoption rates. Despite initial positive reviews praising its immersive experience, the hefty price tag may pose a barrier to widespread adoption. Number 4. Tesla has firmly entrenched itself in the auto industry, boasting a production of 1.81 million cars in 2023, including the highly successful Model Y. With the unveiling of Tesla's master plan, Part 3 by Elon Musk in March last year, the company is embarking on an ambitious growth phase, positioning itself for significant expansion. Elon Musk envisions Tesla becoming the world's most valuable company over the next decade. To achieve this, key developments are slated to begin in 2024. The Cybertruck, despite mixed opinions, has garnered over 2 million pre-orders, signaling substantial demand that Tesla aims to meet in the coming years. Additionally, Tesla plans to introduce its next-generation vehicle, the Model 2, designed for mass production and slated to start in 2025, playing a pivotal role in the company's vision for an autonomous taxi fleet. Tesla's full self-driving FSD Beta is now accessible to all U.S. customers, marking a significant milestone, though its performance is subject to both praise and criticism. With the deployment of Tesla's Dojo supercomputer and the exponential growth in driving data, significant advancements in FSD are anticipated in 2024. Moreover, Tesla's entry into battery manufacturing with the 4680 battery cell signifies a crucial development, potentially freeing the company from previous supply constraints and accelerating its vehicle production capabilities with integration into Model Y and Cybertruck production at the Texas Gigafactory. Number 3 is Amazon, a crucial player in e-commerce. In 2024, the company, under the leadership of Andy Jassy, is poised to adopt a more balanced strategy, moving away from Jeff Bezos' emphasis on growth at all costs. This shift is necessary to address previous issues of overexpansion, such as excessive warehouses and staff. Under Jassy's direction, Amazon will prioritize transitioning from its traditional e-commerce model to a more service-oriented approach. Although online sales still contribute significantly, growing at a modest 7%, the focus is shifting towards third-party seller services, which are experiencing rapid growth at 20%. Amazon is capitalizing on selling its platform to other businesses for conducting commerce, handling transactions, and delivery logistics. Additionally, Prime subscriptions are on the rise, indicating sustained customer loyalty. The company is also doubling down on its advertising services division, which saw a remarkable 26% growth in Q3. This strategic pivot towards higher-margin services has boosted Amazon's gross margins by over 177%. With Jassy steering the ship, this trend is expected to persist in 2024. As Amazon continues to evolve, it solidifies its position as a powerhouse in the advertising industry. Number 2 is Meta. Meta's core focus is on strengthening its advertising business, which constitutes the majority of its revenue, while VR headset sales play a minor role. Despite the potential of the metaverse, Meta prioritizes fortifying its advertising efforts. Challenges, including reduced advertiser spending, TikTok's competition in short-form content, and limitations from Apple on data collection, have emerged. To tackle these, Meta heavily invests in AI to enhance ads and user engagement, employing models like Llama and Llama 2. Monetizing short-form content, amidst rising platforms like Instagram Reels, presents a hurdle for Meta despite increased engagement. Yet it remains optimistic, noting a 40% surge in Instagram usage since Reels' launch and its neutral impact on overall ad revenue. Looking to the 2024 U.S. presidential election, Meta prepares to address privacy, security, and political advertising concerns. Measures include transparency initiatives like blocking new political ads in the final campaign week and mandating disclosure for AI or digitally modified ads. Investors foresee positive revenue growth for Meta from the election's political advertising surge. Despite challenges, Meta's strategic AI integration and proactive approach position it for success in the digital advertising landscape. Finally, but certainly not least, Google, a subsidiary of Alphabet, maintains a diversified revenue stream, with 77% of its income coming from advertising and the remaining 23% from various sources, including apps, physical products, subscriptions, and cloud services. In line with Meta, Google is prioritizing AI integration in 2024 to enhance operational efficiency across its ventures, respond to competitors' moves, and introduce new functionalities across its software suite. Renowned for its innovative AI initiatives, Google plans to invest further in AI research and development, deploying AI across sectors such as healthcare, education, transportation, and entertainment. Apart from AI, Google is focusing on its cloud business in 2024, witnessing a significant 26% revenue increase in the first 9 months of 2023. The cloud business has turned profitable, indicating growth potential over the next decade. Additionally, Alphabet is targeting emerging markets like India, Southeast Asia, and Africa, aiming to tailor products and services to accommodate lower internet penetration and digital adoption rates. This strategy includes offline accessibility, data conservation, local language support, and affordability. Thanks for tuning in to this insightful overview of 7 key companies shaping the stock market in 2024. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this. And remember, staying informed is key to making smart investment decisions. So keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy investing.